Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. One of the most popular dessert from my hometown Gianyar called Klepon or Klepon Gianyar. This is also the most popular dessert choice in my cooking class. Klepon is a boiled sticky rice balls with palm sugar syrup filling and served with fresh grated coconut. And absolutely yum! Happy cooking, matur suksema! Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now, we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema!